Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing the 16-inch MacBook Pro. This is the 32GB version with 1TB of SSD space. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox the box here. So outside of this box there's a little plastic cover and there's this little piece here that you can pull ahead and it comes off very easily. Alright, so this is the most exciting part, and here is the 16-inch MacBook Pro. It's covered with a little paper bag. Just gonna lift it up, and wow, it feels really solid and feels really heavy too. Before opening the paper bag, I'm gonna go ahead and see what the contents are in the box. And this is, I believe, is the MagSafe power cable. This is the new power cable. The previous MacBook Pros came with USB Type-C power cable, but this is the one with the magnetic connect where it doesn't break even if you just pull hard at it, so it's really easy and very safe to use. Alright, so let's have a closer look at the cable. So as I said, this is the MagSafe power connect. One end goes to the power supply, the other end goes to the MacBook Pro. So this is the very standard little envelope that contains additional paper leaflets. You get this little book here that explains the basic setup of the MacBook, what the special keys are and things like that. And this is some regulatory information. And these are the famous Apple logos that they always provide. And that's all there is in the envelope. And this is the power brick. It's the standard wall type outlet. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the paper covering here. Alright, let's go ahead and see what we have here in the right hand side. We have a HDMI port, Thunderbolt 4 port, and SDXC card reader. And at the top you have this really nice Apple logo. Here you have a headphone jack, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, and MagSafe 3 power connector. And in the back you have this nice MacBook Pro engraved. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open the lid, and the MacBook Pro automatically turns on. So what's different is there's no touch bar, and this is a large touchpad. There's speakers on either side of the keyboard. Alright, so here the MacBook goes into automatic setup mode and shows me a hello screen. I believe this comes to the end of my unboxing of this MacBook Pro. If you guys want me to show the inside of the MacBook Pro, what are the various programs that I'm using, and the speeds and benchmarking and all the other stuff, please leave me a comment below. And this comes to the end of the video. Thanks for watching.